Sneha and welcome to new video. Today I have come up with a book tag video which I have made it. Okay, this tag video is called as LGBTQ book tag. June is celebrated as a Pride Month to support LGBTQ community. In 1999, first time ever, President Bill Clinton announced that June should be celebrated as the Pride Month to support LGBTQ community. From then it started that in Bush period he wasn't supporting it, but in the period of Obama, Trump and now Biden, June is officially celebrated as a Pride Month to support LGBTQ community. So what is LGBTQ? Let me first elaborate that. L stands for lesbian, G stands for gay, B stands for bisexual, T stands for transgender and Q stands for queer or questioning. To celebrate with this Pride Month, this is my way to show the love and support to LGBTQ community. To be quick and precise, I have just kept 5 questions in this tag. So let's get started. The first question is, which is your favorite LGBTQ book? I will go with my last read, which is Red, White and Royal Blue by Casey McQuiston. I am in love with this book. I am in love with all the characters of this book. I am in love with the story of this book. I am in love with narration, writing, everything. I love everything about this book. This is a story of Alex and Henry. Alex is first son, he is son of president, and Henry is Prince of Wales. As they are public figure, they face obligations with their relationship, but they stand together because they are madly in love with each other, and how they come out of those obligations, you have to read this. This is a must read. Next question is, which is your favorite character from your favorite LGBTQ book? Again this, and my favorite character is Alex. I love Henry also, I love other characters also, but I love the way Alex loves Henry. I love the way Alex looks at Henry. I love the way Alex describe the features of Henry. I love the way Alex is mad about Henry. So yeah, Alex. Next question is, do you have any famous book recommendations on LGBTQ which you have read or which you want to read? Yes, I have 3 in my list. First one is The Song of Achilles, which is really very famous, and that is my next read. Next one is Aristotle and Dante Discovered the Secrets of Universe. This is also a very famous book. And last one is Call Me By Your Name, is highly recommended, and even I would recommend, and even I want to read that book. Why June is celebrated as a Pride Month? Why this community needs support? Because this community has been discriminated and pinned down by the society and their obligations and their rules. People from this community have been hiding their identity, have forced to pretend to be someone else. You see, we are all children of God, and God has made us like this. There is nothing called unnatural. They are the way they are, and this is basic human right to love and to be loved. And we are nobody to stop them to love anyone they want to love and live their life. So they need support. They need support from family. They need support from society. They need support. That's why this month is celebrated. And based on this, I have framed the next question, which is your favorite supporting character from your favorite LGBTQ book? I would say Alex's mother, Ellen. Ellen is president. When she got to know about Alex, she could have overreacted and told Alex to hide, but she didn't do that. First thing she said was, Alex, I'm your mother, I love you, and I love you no matter what. So she says Alex to go public and announce his identity, which is what I loved. That is what is needed, because I have heard that when parents hear about their kids' identity, then the parents kind of withdraw themselves from their life and they disown their kids, which is really very sad. Because as a parents, at least you could do that much. You should support your kids, you should love your kids no matter how they are. Already society is pinning them down, they are putting them lots of obligations, they are struggling with their identity in society. But as a family, if you don't support them, what's the thing of being a family, you know? That is why they need support, especially from the families. Then last question is, do you have any friend from LGBTQ community, and what message do you want to give? Or are you from LGBTQ community? What message you want to give to your friends or family? I'm not from LGBTQ community. I'm straight, very boring. And as far as friends are concerned, in India it is not talked about it that much, especially when I was in school. It was 90s. At that time, sex only was talked up in hushed tone. Homosexuality was out of question. If there was someone around me who was gay or lesbian, I don't think so they even know what was happening with them. Education is needed regarding this, and they were not allowed to say it out loud also, I guess. So I would just like to say sorry that our society has put you on so much obligations and discriminations. Now times are changing. You can say it out loud. You can love anybody you want to love, and I will also love you no matter what, and I will stand for you no matter what. You know me, right? So in India, like I said, it has been not talked much. Even Karan Johar had to write a whole book to tell about his identity. But I see the things are changing. They are setting examples, like the famous book Sapiens author Yuval Noah Harari. He married his boyfriend, and the famous actor Sheldon Cooper also married his boyfriend. I wish someone in India also will set an example like they have set and support this community. It's high time that we start supporting this community. In India, you can see in metros we get support, but in small town they are not even allowed to say it out loud. So it's our responsibility that if we come across this kind of people around us, we stand for them, we support them, we accept them as they are. So that's all for today. I'm not tagging anybody on this video because I want as many as people to pick up this tag and extend their support and love to this community. And I love you all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Until my next video, stay happy, stay healthy. Hakuna Matata.